The most common and frequently asked topic from geography in the various competitive exam is earthquake, types of earthquake, and the questions related to it. So it took me 2 hours to compile the notes and prepare this video. Hope you may find it useful. In this video, we'll discuss about earthquake. Why does the earth shake? What are the factors responsible for earthquake? So let's begin. Earthquake. Now, what is earthquake? Shaking of the earth caused due to the release of energy. This energy generates in the form of waves that travels to all direction. Now, why does the earth shake? Release of energy occurs along the fault line, which may be responsible for the shaking of earth. Rocks along the fault line tends to move in opposite direction as the overlying strata press them and the friction locks them together. Tendency of movement overcome the friction. As a result, blocks get deformed. They slide over each other. As a result, energy releases. Energy waves travel in all directions. The point where energy releases is called the point of focus or hypocenter. About the focus point on the surface, it is called epicenter. Earthquake takes place in lithosphere, that is 200 km of a depth. Seismograph is the instrument used to measure earthquake. Now let us discuss what are the factors responsible for earthquake. Earthquake may be produced due to movement of plates, rising of magma, folding and faulting, and violent volcanic eruptions. When earthquake occurs, seismic waves are produced. P or primary waves, S or secondary waves, L or long or surface wave. Primary and secondary waves combinedly are called body waves as they move inside the body of the earth. Now let us talk about the primary waves or the P waves. They are the fastest wave. They are also known as longitudinal wave. These waves move forth and back. P waves move parallel to the direction of wave and can move both in solid as well as liquid. Now moving forward, let's discuss about the S wave or the secondary wave. The S wave are slower than the P wave. They are also called as transverse wave. They move perpendicular to the direction of the wave and they move only in solid and disappear in liquid. Now talking about the L wave or the surface wave or the long wave. They are the slowest wave. They move on the earth's surface. And L wave, they cause the maximum destruction on the earth's surface. Now let's understand what is focus. Focus is the point inside the earth's surface from where earthquake starts. It is always hidden inside the earth. Focus may be found at a depth of 100 to 200 kilometers. Talking about epicenter. So epicenter is a point on the earth's surface which records the seismic waves for the first time. And the maximum destruction occurs at the point of epicenter. Epicenter is located just perpendicular to the focus. Now let's discuss the types of earthquakes. Volcanic earthquake, mining earthquake, tectonic earthquake, nuclear explosion earthquake. Now let's discuss some of the effects of earthquake. Ground shaking, destruction to houses and buildings, landslides and tsunamis, soil liquefaction, that is, soil becomes liquid, damage to dams and reservoirs, fire accidents, destructions to transport and communication lines. Earthquake is measured on Richter scale, which was invented by Charles F. Richter in 1934. Magnitude is calculated from the amplitude of the largest seismic wave recorded for the earthquake.